Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Discord server. Creating your own Discord server is quick and easy, whether it is for friends, gaming, study groups, or a community. You can do it in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch open the Discord application on your mobile device or your desktop, and then make sure that you're logged in. From the left-hand side, click on the plus button. Now, click on Create My Own at the top for a fully customized server. You can also choose a template such as gaming, school club, study group, etc. displayed at the bottom. I'm just gonna create my own by tapping on the first option. Now, go ahead and answer some of your questions, such as if the server is for you and your friends or for a club or community. On the next page, you will need to upload a server profile picture. Tap the upload button and select an image you would like to use for your server's profile picture. Now you can also go ahead and enter your server's name and click on Create Server. You can then go ahead and add some people to the server. Click on the Share Link button and share it with anyone that you'd like to invite to the server. Once you are done, click on Done at the top right. Now, by default, you will get a general text and voice channel. Start setting up your server. You can invite more friends to your server, upload a server icon, and send in your first messages. Now, after the people that you've sent the invite to has started joining in, you can then go ahead and chat, stream, organize events, or build a whole community space. So that's how you can easily create a server in Discord. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.